Since 1980, the federal government has operated a so-called Disadvantaged Business Enterprise program, doling out your tax dollars to companies based on sex and race, not merit. The practice leaves family-owned and employee-owned businesses like our clients at a disadvantage.
My name is Scott Sherrill. I'm the general manager at Mid-American Milling Company. At MAMCO, our primary focus is we do road and bridge milling. Haven't been in business since 1981. What we've offered is some union jobs, very good wages and fringe benefits. We're out there every day looking, to work hard to get production.
I'm Greg Bagshaw of Bagshaw Trucking. We are a 100% employee-owned company, but I was the founder of the company. I founded the company in 1982. We are a family and a community-oriented, small company.
And the intent of, the DBE program was to set aside percentages of these jobs when they're bid that general contractors have to award to minority companies.
Most of your large contractors, they look for that, and therefore we a lot of times don't even get a chance to bid on those contracts.
This discrimination is a blatant violation of the Constitution and an affront not only to cherished American values like fairness, equality, and hard work, but also basic individual human dignity.
DBE programs that have huge impact, again on our company, and because we've been kind of pushed aside because they have to give special consideration to these minority companies just so they can please the programs that the government's initiated. And I just don't think it's fair.
It's impacted our business tremendously on most major construction projects, whether they're federally or state funded.
Because those guys, their families depend on us to keep them busy, to support their families, and we've downsized, for sure. We just don't have the work that we used to, With as tough as things are, with us trying to get our portion of the work and beat out people with unfair advantages, it's tough.
But talking about it is not enough. The Wisconsin Institute for Law and Liberty has filed its 11th lawsuit against the Biden administration, asking the court to side with true equality for all Americans. Until this discriminatory process ends, many family-owned, local, and unionized small business owners can't even bid on these federal contracts.
The secret to stopping discrimination is pretty simple. Stop discriminating.
I'm a big believer in Americans, any person, making their own way.
We should all stand on our own merit. If we're able to perform the best service and a better service at a better price, then we should be rewarded those contracts on that merit.
If we're ever going to unite as a country, we need to stop creating more division. These discriminatory policies are just affecting the American dream. It's ruining my future and the future of everybody that works for me.
It's time that we start standing, up for what we all believe in, what our rights are in this country. Or we're not going to have a country.